Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of foldable phones, focusing on the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Rumors have been swirling for months, and with the launch date of July 10th fast approaching, let's dissect everything we know so far about this next-gen foldable beast. First things first, mark your calendars for Samsung Unpacked 2024 on July 10th. This is where the official curtain will be pulled back on the Z Fold 6, alongside its likely sibling, the Z Flip 6. Leaks suggest a significant design upgrade for the Z Fold 6 compared to its predecessor, the Z Fold 5. The cover display is expected to be wider, offering a more comfortable one-handed experience. This wider canvas might also translate to better multitasking capabilities, especially for quick replies or checking notifications. The overall design seems sleeker and more refined. The hinge, a crucial element in any foldable phone, appears to be better concealed, giving the phone a more seamless look when unfolded. Additionally, the camera bar on the back is rumored to have been redesigned, potentially hinting at some exciting camera improvements. While the design might be getting a makeover, the core specs of the Z Fold 6 are expected to remain largely unchanged from the Z Fold 5. This means you're looking at a powerhouse under the hood with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a hopping 12 GB of RAM for smooth multitasking, and a healthy 512 GB of storage to keep all your apps, games, and media files happy. The Z Fold 6 might offer up to 18 hours of juice on cellular networks and a staggering 23 hours of video playback on Wi-Fi. That's a massive leap, especially considering the Z Fold 5's battery life was a bit of a weak spot for some users. The Z Fold 6 is expected to be thinner and lighter than its predecessor. This might seem like a minor detail, but it can make a big difference in everyday use. A lighter phone translates to less fatigue during extended use, especially when holding it unfolded like a tablet. Additionally, a thinner profile makes the phone more pocketable and easier to carry around. While camera specifics remain under wraps, rumors suggest the Z Fold 6 might boast some impressive videography capabilities. We're talking about support for 4K video recording at a smooth 120 frames per second. This opens doors for capturing incredibly detailed and high-quality slow-motion videos, perfect for preserving those precious memories in all their glory. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. Leaks suggest the Z Fold 6 might be priced $100 higher than the Z Fold 5 in the US. While the exact price tag remains unconfirmed, it's safe to assume this phone will be a premium purchase. However, with the rumored design improvements, potential camera upgrades, and a significant leap in battery life, the price hike might be justified for some users. Should you wait for the Z Fold 6? Here's how I see it. If you're currently rocking a foldable phone and are happy with its performance, you might not necessarily need to upgrade. However, if you're craving a sleeker design, potentially better cameras, and a massive battery life improvement, then the Z Fold 6 could be worth the wait, even with the expected price increase. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is shaping up to be an exciting foldable phone. With a rumored wider cover display, a sharper design, and a significant boost in battery life, it seems Samsung is addressing some of the pain points from the previous generation. While the price hike might be a deterrent for some, the overall package could be enticing for foldable phone enthusiasts. We don't have any concrete details about the camera sensors or capabilities beyond the 4K 120 video recording rumor. Will there be a megapixel upgrade? How will the low light performance fare? Software. Will the Z Fold 6 launch with the latest version of Android? Will Samsung include any special software optimizations designed to take advantage of the foldable form factor? While we wait for the official unveiling on July 10th, here's what you can do. This is where we'll get all the confirmed details about the Z Fold 6, including its final specifications, explore reviews of the Z Fold 5, and other foldable phones on the market. This will help you understand the pros and cons of foldable technology and decide if it's the right choice for you. The Z Fold 6 is expected to be a premium phone. As more information about the Z Fold 6 surfaces, we'll be sure to keep you updated. So smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a beat. In the comments below, Let me know what excites you the most about the Z Fold 6 and if you think the rumored price hike is justified. Thanks for watching.